Yo, what's up? It's J2O, man. We out here. Oh, man, it's a new week, February 23rd. Looking at these charts. As you see, gold just opened up the market with a little downtrend, a little small retracement. And I drew my Fibonacci's to see where I'm looking to get in. I'm looking to do some more buy positions for gold. As you can see, there's a lot of news last week with the whole virus in China, the coronavirus, whatever they call it, that's pushing the market up for gold. And as you can see in the Forex factory, Sunday, these are like the events that's happening, world events. Bank holiday for JPY, so there's not going to be too much movement for the Japanese yen. Monday, got red folder, German info, business, climate. 4 a.m. Tuesday, see what's happening in the market. 10 a.m. for the USD. CB, consumer confidence. Then you see Wednesday, the news events. Thursday, the news events, not too much. When I look at these news events, I would look for the red folders for high impact news stuff. And I look at the economic calendar. Let's see if I can pull it up real quick. Get all this stuff in my way. I was looking at XRP, but let me just go back to the charts real quick. So right now I'm trading gold. I'm looking for buy positions. So as you can see, let's go to a different time frame. Let's go to the hour chart. You see the market open up strong. Now it's going down for a slight retracement. So I look to get in buy positions around this area over here, around the 50 and the 61.8 area. So the market comes here, I'm definitely going to be buying. So that's what I look for my potential buys in the market around this zone. And I'm also going to be looking at a little bit of XRP, the Ripple for cryptocurrency. So right now it's consolidating, as you can see. I'm looking to get into sell positions since it's still overall, when you look at the higher time frames, I like to look at the daily and the 4-hour chart. So if you look at the daily, let me zoom in. You can see that it's clearly a downtrend and might now be retracing up a little bit. But then when you go to the 4-hour chart to get more clarity, and I already drew my fibs zones for retracements. So right now I'm looking for at least to see if it can push it to at least the 61.8 area, potentially to sell. So I'm looking for sell opportunities around this area based off the structure of the market. But if it breaks, it keeps going up and closes up here, I'll be looking for a potential uptrend. So always pay attention to the structure. Let me show you something real quick. So right here, always pay attention. So if it breaks up here, it goes and skyrockets up here and closes here and goes up, I'll be looking for uptrend. I'll be looking to get in on buy at a potential support area. So if it comes back over here, I'll try to get in here for a buy to the upside. But it might not move like that, and it might actually go like this. It might go up and then go back down, or it might just consolidate here and just drop back down for a downtrend. So when you trade, you always got to pay attention to like structure in the market and always go with the flow of the market because you just never know what's going to happen. But what you do know is that there's going to be a movement to the upside or downside, but overall it follows the higher time frames. So using when it's choppy, I don't really pay attention and look at a chart too much. I like focus on other things, other pairs. I like to play with trend lines. And if you see, it still has a valid trend line to the upside. If it breaks this trend line, you know it's going to the downside. So we'll see what happens. And back to the GBP JPY pair. So the market opened down and hit one of these zones. I like to draw quarter points after every 250 points. So start at the 14400, then the 144250, then 144500, then 144750. So I'll go by 250 points. That's what these red line represent. So the market opened down here, and obviously it's going back up because still the uptrend from I guess last week. Still a valid uptrend. So it went here to hit the support, and then it rose back up. And right now is here testing this support and this resistant area that could potentially be a resistance or become a new support area to the upside. So for this pair, I was looking for buy opportunities around the 50 to 61.8 retracement area. So right now here it hit this area for the retracement to the upside. So when you're looking for these retracements, you should also look for target points to get on the trade, and you could target the next couple fib areas like the 23.8 zone or the next 0 zone and so on. Or you could target these quarter points every 150 points. You could target that as a zone to get out in trading. Because sometimes obviously the market retraces. So let's say if I want to aim to the 0 right here, it might not even get there. Let me show you real quick and draw. It might not get to the zone. It could just go from here down to here, down to here, blah 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 blah, and then back up to here or here. The market can just do different things based off structure of support and resistance zones. So if you aim here, it might never hit here. So that's why when you have take profits, you could move your stops to profit 10 pips, or you could just have a small target to aim and aim at for example, aim at the 23 zone. So you can aim here. We're here. So just, a couple more pips. But, it's kind of sloppy. I'm just playing around right now. It's Sunday. Usually Sunday, the market's opening up and stuff. So it's not too much crazy movements, Some people get trapped when they trade on Sundays because the way the market moves, there's usually more consolidation. So this is for the GBP JPY pair. And then look at the GBP USD. This has a 4-hour time frame. As you can see, the market create lower highs, and this like a lower low. But now it's getting ready to go to a new uptrend. So if I go to the hour chart, I kind of see a little better. I can see how it went from, let me draw right here. It went from higher, bear with me, my drawing, higher low to a higher low. Move that out the way. And it's another higher low. And obviously this is like the lower low. So around this area, it broke this higher low. So that's how I knew, okay, it's about to be a change of structure, so a change to the upside. So that's why I started looking for uptrends Friday based off the structure. And today's Sunday. As you see, the market is going down, retesting, doing the retracement area over here. And I'm looking for a potential, I guess, buys, you could say, around this zone area, around the support zone, on this, you could say, quarter point, because these red lines, I like to use it as potential like support resistance zones, and I'm looking to get in on trade. So let's go to like a smaller time frame. Let's go to the 15 minutes. Okay, see, so this Sunday, obviously, you know, it gapped down and the pair just moving, consolidating. So you don't want to waste a lot of time on one pair because the movements is probably going to be during London session around like 3 a.m., 4 a.m. You know, that's when the pair likes to move. Or you can wait till like, you know, New York session around like 8, 9 in the morning. But, you know, so right now, I like to kind of see what's happening in the market, see what happens when the market opens with gaps to the upside or the downside for certain pairs, and start analyzing and try to go with the overall trend to be safe. So that is what I like to do. And these are the pairs I'm planning to like just focus on trading this week. And I'm gonna continue to provide more like live updates of, you know, my trades and what I see and what I feel the move's gonna be for that day or that week. And we could discuss in the comments. Continue to follow me on IG or Facebook and comment if you have any questions and let me know. So have a good trading day and week. Take care, everybody. J2O, man, we out here.